pistol, sing a melody. Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war. Need a brain marinating on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery. 7.62, 5.56, 223. With that K, broad day, we hop out of spray. Young nigga way until my dying day.
What's up, YouTube? It's Titus and I'm back here with another video. Today's video is going to be a curly hair tutorial / routine. And basically I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff and then show y'all what I do every day, basically. Because some people ask me how do I get my hair curly and stuff. So yeah, man, I ain't been uploading in I ain't gonna say a minute. It's been what, I don't know, like 3 months, I think. But yeah, basically like what I do on a daily basis. I'm gonna probably wash my hair. It's looking kind of rough right now, but I'm gonna wash my hair and then we just gonna see how it end up, feel me? So let's get it popping. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so basically I'm gonna just show y'all. I said that already, but I'm not gonna set the camera up because my light bulb went out. I have to, and one of them went out, so the lighting is kind of weird. So I'm gonna just show y'all the step. I'm gonna wash my hair and then yeah. So basically the shampoo that I'm gonna be using is Suave. Yeah, Suave. And then it came with a conditioner as well. I don't know, it's probably like what, $5 maybe. Yeah, but I'm gonna get my towel and then I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna show you the other products that I use, because I use other stuff. Oh my god. But yeah, alright guys, I got my towel, so I'm finna wash my hair right now. But what I'm showing you guys is basically what I do every single day. Like, obviously school is starting out, so before school, like basically, yeah, I don't know, but let's get started. So don't actually like dry your hair yet, but so far this is what it's looking like. Okay, you probably can't see the curls yet because I don't know, you just can't see it on this camera, but I'll show you guys the after result. So basically now I'm gonna put some conditioner. So now I'm gonna put my other product. Hold on, let me go. So this is the product that I'm gonna be using: Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And this is basically the only product that I use because I do sports, and when I sweat, it gets like on my forehead and like it creates bumps and stuff. So this is what I use, and I'm gonna show y'all how to apply it. Okay, I can feel it. I can see the curls a little bit, but it's not gonna really show in this camera. Like I can see it in the mirror, but I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's how you basically do it. Just one product, and actually two products. This conditioner, shampoo, the shampoo, and this is all I use. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a picture or even a video of my hair because you guys can barely see. For me. There we go. So, yeah. What I'm looking like. So. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this tutorial helped y'all. It's for people with short hair, I guess. If you wanna get curly hair, it's not hard. I mean, I have good hair, so it's a little easier for me. But you have like, I don't know. But hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I already said that. Follow me on my Instagram. Everything, my Instagram, Snapchat will be in the description below. And yeah, came out really good, even though you can't see it right now. But yeah, have a nice day. I don't know when I will upload this. It's a Sunday night. I'm recording this, so I had to do it before school. So yeah, comment video ideas, please. Comment, because I just need to know what to post for you guys. And that's basically it. So once again, drop a like, and I'm out.